Okay, so in this module, let's have a look at how one-bit binary subtraction takes place. So let's say you have a number A, it can have a value 0 or 1. Then you have number B, it can also have a logic value either 0 or 1. So since you have two numbers A and B and they each can have value 0 or 1, there are four possible combinations into one bit binary subtraction. What these combinations are. The first one, let's say number A is logic 0, number B is logic 0, and you are subtracting number B from number A. So their difference would be number C. 0 minus 0 in binary, answer is 0. Let's say A has a logic 0 and B has a value of logic 1. So in binary subtraction 0 minus 1, you have 0 which is less than 1. Therefore, you need to borrow 1 from the next bit position that may be here. So subtraction here is C is equal to 1. The difference between 0 minus 1 is 1, and you got this 1 as a borrow. You take this 1 as a borrow from the next bit position right over here. Number 3, you have A equal to 1 and B equal to 0. So in binary, 1 minus 0, answer is C is equal to 1. So in binary, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. You do not have borrow. Therefore, borrow here is equal to 0. Similarly, the borrow here is equal to 0. The final case, 1 minus 1, both A and B are 1, and therefore their difference is C, which is equal to 0. And borrow here is also 0. So only when you subtract 1 from the 0 and number B is greater than number A, you have a difference between them is 1, and you need to borrow 1 from the next bit position. So that's how you do one bit binary subtraction. Hope you found this model useful. If you did so, share it with others for a wider reach. Till then, wish you happy learning.